Duond bura mar Jubilee Jeremiah Kioni oseyo duol matayo yiero kod kiewe pacho kae maen IEBC mowacho ni notiyo kanyakla kod jochung' mag duond bura mag UDA e chocho duoko mag ombulu mar jatend piny Kenya e gwenge mag Masawa e yiero maigani. E twak mare kod jofwambo weche log tich maduong' mar Jubilee, Kioni olero ni agents mag Azimio ne otam donje kuonde luto ombulu e Masawa kaka yor mar kwalo ombulu.
There was never a yiero wave in Mount Kenya. The polls that had been done by many agencies, including the commercial ones, were accurate, they were truthful. What happened within Mount Kenya was massive rigging. And the rigging was done not by the employment of one scheme, but multiple schemes that were all aimed at taking votes from candidates who had anything to do with Jubilee, and also from our presidential candidate, Raila Amolo Odinga, together with the running mate, Mother Wangari Karua. Anywhere in Mount Kenya where we got 40% turnout was a record. The turnout within Mount Kenya was below 40%. Anything else